Lovely patient is going to get a few things. First of all, the areas as marked are going to be injected with Daxxify. It's her first time getting Daxxify instead of Dysport. Also her first time doing her glabella. Go ahead and make an angry look. So you see how her forehead is pulled down by the glabella. I think that's the main thing she wants to avoid more than the lines, is the pulling down effect. You can relax. And then we're doing a light treatment around the mouth. We're going to use a cannula there, and the reason I prefer a cannula there is less bruising. And then we're going to treat the temples, and if you look at the temples from straight on from the front, you can see how they're sunken. So that's what's going to happen. We're going to start with the Daxi, and then we're going to work from the top down.